Well, thank you to the Cascade Foot Clinic. Um, they fit me in as a walk-in. Amazingly, I had to wait like an hour, but they fit me in and did ultrasound and X-rays on my foot. And I have three very stretched ligaments, two on the top, one on the interior. Interior, yeah. Um, but no broken bones, which I thought would be the case. They gave me a cocktail shot that's like a anti-inflammatory plus like oxygen therapy and a bunch of other stuff. They said it's going to be numb for 3 hours and hurt like hell for 12 hours, and then like in 3 days you're fully healed. They also said no riding for 24 hours, which I have a hotel tonight, which is good. And they also said don't re-injure it for 3 or 4 days or a week. So I'm looking at the map. I think given the Washington BDR is I'm going to talk to you with my GoPro mic isn't working. The Washington BDR is the mid to north section is covered in wildfires right now, and the central section is covered in snow. And so is parts of the Oregon BDR, and then the roads that go over to Sisters in Detroit, Oregon, are also closed due to snow. So that means I don't know. I think it means I'm going to take the day off. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up and I'm going to go take the coast of Oregon. I've always wanted to drive the coast. I've done, like I-10. Is it I-10? I don't know. Whatever, Central, 5. It's I-5. I've taken I-5 north, I think, to Seattle before, but I've never taken the coast up that way. And so given that I can't be on off-roading for a couple of days, I'm going to take the coast, I think, and take the ocean north, which sucks. But that's part of this trip is you really can't pick where you're going. Your bike, the weather, and your body picks where you're going. So I'm gonna go to the cafe, upload some YouTube videos, and then we'll go back to it. Well, we are going to our home for the evening. It's a $45 Airbnb shared room situation. Straight. I don't mind hostels. So I was telling my wife that every single neighborhood in Oregon looks like this. From the very, very poor parts of Oregon, which I've been through the past few days, to the very wealthy parts of Oregon, they all have this exact same look and feel to them. The spruce trees, the craftsmen's, the little corner stores and general stores. Oregon, and I say the communities of Oregon have done a really good job of like isolating the chain restaurants and the fast food places all to like one strip per city. So they keep downtown completely historic. And then there's one area is the commercial district that they will like allow for like Carl's Jr., Taco Bell, and stuff to get put up. So it's really, really, really nice. But all the neighborhoods are just like this. It's so beautiful. I love it. So going to this Airbnb for the night, cheaper than a hotel. Got a little bottle of beer. I'll go and pack and then go get some tacos, and then put my foot up, elevate it. I just took some ibuprofen, and some Claritin, and so 16:49. Yeah, that's my evening plans. And I did some videos for you guys. This is huge, but the view's nice. Big quesadilla. All right, time to edit some videos. Good night, everyone. From the bed.